Another really cool little hidden gem in our online resources is called PBS Learning Media. So I would also, I'm going to show you why. If you go to this site, and usually you have to tell it what grade you're exploring. So we'll say 9 through 12. For example, I went and pasted in Diwali. So say that's the festival I'm doing. When you get here, I want to just point out, so here's this nice video about Diwali in this Religion and Ethics News Weekly. I want to direct your attention. This exists here on the site Religion and Ethics News Weekly, Access World Religions. So if you look along here, you can find all sorts of video collections, and it's kind of neat to actually see these festivals and these traditions in action as opposed to just reading about them. So I would definitely recommend taking a look, mainly because this PBS Media Center includes this Religion and Ethics News Weekly, as well as other videos. So I would definitely, I know we always think we have to look at books and articles, but I would check out some videos as well, and PBS vets those very, very well. So I would not shy away from using PBS Learning Media to gain some insight into your World Religions project.